Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be running the Maximus right here on the dirt. See how it does. I'm running 17 tooth pinion gear with the lock center diff to be exact. And yeah, let's do some bashing, see how it does. I got to be really careful because the water came up and there's not a whole lot of space left to run this truck here. Yeah, there's not a whole lot of space here. Can't really get the full power out of this. Oh, the trees! Wow, it's kicking up a whole lot of dirt. Oh. I hear something. Yeah, something's crackling in there. I think the pinion gear is coming loose. Pinion gear seems to be fine. I wonder what that cracking noise is. Could be the rear diff. Alright, back to the bench for this. Alright, so I took apart the rear diff and let's see what's going on. Ugh, it's gunky, it's dirty. Yep, the crown gear is rounded. Yeah, it's really rounded. It's really bad. The pinion gear is like super rounded as well. That is really bad. Alright, so I'm gonna need a new crown gear and pinion gear. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, cheers.